guys, good morning. Good morning. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. We are going home after work. And yes, we don't have open car. Ticket. Yeah. Coming home. I'm home. Where is my kitty? There he is. Hi, my little boy. Hello, Nuni. Oh, he's a circle. Hello. What are you doing here?
The job. What you need to do. Next time was Mr. Pinky left here something. He was with us in our hot tub, Mr. Pinky, last time, and he left us.
Shit.
Left something here.
Shit.
This is Mr. Pinky's hair. So I'm changing all the hot tub, all the water.
Yeah.
Just 2 hours. Water out. 2 hours we have to clean it. 2 hours another water, new water. Oh my god.
My god.
My god. I don't know why is there glass in our hot tub. No, just kidding. And for those who doesn't understand the system here, they were asking where you can put the water out of the hot tub. You know where? Everywhere. Because it's clever system here.
Oh. Frankie. You ty jsi tady? Hello. Nuniník. Řehos. Řehos. You like it? It's beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. I decided to make some video, like talking in a video, 50 facts about me, I don't know, maybe boyfriend tag and something like that. But you must write me on comment section below some questions. What you want to know about me, about the relationship with me and Eric, about, I don't know, my family, about our kitty. So write me on comment section below some questions what you want to know. And I will record some video.
Oh, what's up? Is it done?
No.
What's up?
What I'm doing right now?
I don't know what are you doing.
Oh my gosh, this is your job. Yes, of course, I'm just
Why,
human. Ah! Oh! Oh my gosh, I have camera.
Pinky, don't come here again. Raining.
Ah! This is so cold. Everybody is so hungry, so I must cooking. So I decided to grill because we have here some sausage. Oh, I'm full. Listen. Já jsem tady. I'm here. Hello. Oh my god. He's crying. Come here. Pojď sem. No, ne. Oh my gosh. We are so full. So we just chilling, but cat is still in energy.
Oh no, my belly. Oh.
Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Eric is upstairs with some TV film, I don't know. So thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button for us and we will see you tomorrow on VIRALBROTHERS vlog, Eric vlog. Okay, so bye. I love you. Hello guys, good morning. And look.
I didn't sleep. He was sleeping with